My name is Andrew Wolf. I am from Central Illinois. I heard about this school while I was on vacation in Key West. The host there, he was an Airbnb. It was a camper we were staying in. I started asking him about his camper because I was like, yeah, me and my wife are looking at getting into one. And he mentioned the NRVTA. I went there for the advanced technician course. He said my first day back, his neighbor flagged him down. And he had a slide that wouldn't go in. He told me the amount of money he made, and he's like, I cut a guy a break and I made X amount of dollars. And I was like, come again? How much money? He told me about how there's not a lot of people out there that can work on these things. I started doing some research on the NRVTA. I used the website that does the tech locator. And I saw there was nobody around me that was certified advanced. There was some registered tech, so they'd just taken that week-long course, but there was no advanced certified technician. The two registered ones were in dealerships, and they were 70 miles away. We decided, we're like, yeah, we want to do this. Because we want to be, we want to make more money and, supplement what I already do in education. Todd, I doubt there's another human being on this planet that is more knowledgeable about RVs than that guy. You get into day 3, 4, and 5, you get all that hands-on. It really does help bring days 1 and 2 into focus and like, oh, this is covering all the stuff he's talking. This makes more sense now. And it was like that through all the courses. So it was a 5-week course for the advanced certified technician. And then I wanted to learn about generators. This whole school, the NRVTA as a whole, has been far beyond any expectation that I had. Any of the testimonials I watched, any of the YouTube's video watched, they all raved about it, and they were right. But I mean, it surpassed that. If I can go through this and do this, anybody can. Because again, completely out of my comfort zone, but I got it, and I'm gonna make it. It's clicked, and I'm ready to get out there and start my own business and start making money and having fun with it.